Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for December 27th to January 10th. Wishing everybody a Merry Christmas. And we're going to look at the period now for December 27th to the 31st. And the pattern hasn't really changed. It remains locked in. We still have our positive height anomalies here near Greenland and the Aleutians. Trough in the west. And we also have a trough here over the North Atlantic, zone, almost nearly zone of flow here across the country. And we will have several systems that will be riding over this ridge and in the west, and can't talk. And we'll ride over this ridge and ride in a progressive, strong, progressive flow across the country. Now, systems will track across the northern states. We'll look at this at the surface. Here's our first system. It tracks into Canada. Then we have the next one coming into the east, and it looks like the GFS is showing some snow here across the northeast, light snow, being thrown back by this low that's offshore. Let me see if I can get back to that. We're about right here. See the low offshore. And snow chances will increase across the northern states. You can see here we have snow breaking out here across the northern plains and portions of the Great Lakes. And there will be around a heavier snow for the upper Midwest on Sunday and Monday. Go back here a little bit. With the first system moving across. Oops, it keeps jumping around. Sorry about that. Trying to be steady with it. But so most of the activity will be across the northern states and in the west. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for January 1st to the 5th. I had to look over my notes for a minute. 1st to the 5th. And the flow remains generally unchanged again. We have our ridge here, kind of weakens here a little bit over Greenland, but still above normal heights here. Still strong positive anomalies south of the Aleutians. And we have a trough in the west. And we also have our ridge down here across the Bahamas and off the southeast coast. West-southwest flow across the country. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for, let me see if I can get to the maps. Calling for below normal temperatures here, and I'm calling for anomalies of 2 to 8 degrees above normal. Greatest anomalies here across northern New England and over here. And we have above normal temperatures for this region here, probability of anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal are forecast. For precipitation, let me get the precipitation map up. Calling for above normal precipitation here and here. Hasn't changed much in a couple of days because the pattern remains the same. And the probability of occurrence is 40%. Now, we're going to look at the period for January 6th to the 10th. And generally expecting a zone of flow and the positive height anomalies here and across Greenland weaken. Still have below normal heights here in the west, but generally looking at a zone of flow. So for this forecast period, I'm calling for below normal temperatures here for much of this region, and I'm calling for anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal, greatest anomalies across here. Above normal temperatures forecast for this region, and calling for anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. And for precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and here. Probability of occurrence is 40%. And we have below normal precipitation here. I'm kind of reluctant to this, so I gave it a low probability of 35%. So we were looking at the polar vortex a couple days ago, and we're still looking for a change in the polar vortex, a weakening, leading to a pattern change, and that might happen after we get through maybe early January, and we'll start seeing a change. So that's it for now. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for December 27th through January 10th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.